Hey guys, Christine Mullen here, Danny Mullen as well. Wanted to let you in on what he's been up to for the past couple of days. We are currently working on our Megatree to get it up and moving, get some more strands on it, and there's a couple things that we have to do from last year's. We have to expand. So like I said, we're going to be adding more strings to it. Okay, so we have to make a topper that holds all of the strands, however you want to say it, together. So he went on an adventure, scavenger hunt as I like to call it, and he found basically a block of wood. This is what we're going to use. No, we're not going to get fancy and do the whole cutting and making it look that nice for this year, but point across. Okay. Then we also have these screw eyes, which are hooks that we had to purchase that are going to help us attach the strand to it. You need drill, wrench, and a template. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. We are doing a circular pattern. We are not going all the way around, and we'll explain that, but we're gonna make it as 3D as we can. So we got this template off of, let's see, blocklayer.com, and we'll have the link attached in, so that way if you have any questions you can go there. So he's been busy, and we have a semi-started, almost finished product. So this is what he's already done. You can see you have a nice thick block. He taped the template down on here, centered it as much as possible. He's already done some of the work with the drill. He screwed in some holes. He left a couple for me. Thanks, babe. And he put the hooks in already. Now, we need this because you can't necessarily screw it all the way in by hand. You will have to utilize a tool to get it tight and to get it straight, because we want them to be even and kind of all facing the same direction. So that's what he's been up to, and I hope that you tune in and we will get the finished product up and working for you. Bye guys.